puppy.
And do we need to go through and like take some out that are blurred? Did you do that as you went?
I haven't done that yet. I'm gonna take all of them and to my computer regardless. What happened?
Did you charge it?
I mean, I didn't charge it. I didn't know. It didn't even say that. It was low. I hope that's all that's wrong.
Yeah, that's all it's doing.
Oh, poodles. Poodles and noodles. I look better with the glasses on. What's that say about my face? I don't think we should wash it in the bed without plugging it in.
Well,
It's bad for him, I think. I know, but the cord's right. I know.
I try to find it. So,